गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। पिछली बार मैंने आपको हीरोन्स फार्मूला बताया है और हीरोन्स फार्मूला का एक्सरसाइज 12.1 आपने किया होगा। कुछ क्वेश्चंस बाकी हैं, उसको मैं आज करूंगा और फिर हम 12.2 एक्सरसाइज शुरू करेंगे। ठीक है, और फिर तब हम आपके लिए लाइंस, एंगल्स एंड ट्रायंगल शुरू करेंगे। ओके, तब तक हम लोग आते हैं, करते हैं 12.1 एक्सरसाइज। ओके, कम लॉकडाउन 3.0 17 मई 2020। You have completed up to question number 4. Now we'll see 12.1 question number 5. Question number 5 is sides of triangle are in ratio 12, 17, 25 and its perimeter is 540. Sum of three sides. Three sides ratio are given and the perimeter is 540. Then one side is 12x, 17x and 25x. Sum of this is equal to 540. So you can get x. A ratio of sides are 12, 17, 25 and perimeter is 540. So A is equal to 12x, B is equal to 17x and C is equal to 25x. A plus B plus C, this is given 540. A plus B plus C 540 and 12x, 17x and 25, sum of this is equal to 540. You got x is equal to 540. X is equal to 540 by 54, that is equal to 10. So now you can get each side. A is equal to 12x, 12 into 10, 120. B is equal to 17 into 10, 170. C is equal to 250. Sum of this is equal to 540 is given because of this is the perimeter. Now you know A, B, C. You can get S perimeter, sum half perimeter 540 by 2. S minus A 540 by 2 minus 120 minus 170 minus 250. You will get the area of this triangle ABC. Thus you can solve this question number 5. Now come to an isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter. Isosceles, two sides are equal. The third side let x. The two sides each of equal side 12 centimeter. 12 plus 12 plus x is equal to 30. So you can get x. So that is equal to 12 plus 12 24. 30 minus 24 is 6. So that is third side is 6. You got 12, 12 and 6. 12 plus 12 plus x is equal to 30. So x is equal to 30 minus 24, that is equal to 6. A is equal to 12, B is equal to 12, C equal to 6. You will get S is equal to 15. Now area of this equal to, from Heron's formula, put this value here. S 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 6, you will get the area this. Okay, thus you completed this exercise 12.1. Now come to the exercise 12.2. This question, a park in shape of quadrilateral. A park is in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD, has angle C is 90, AB equal to 6, BC equal to 12, CD equal to 5, AD equal to, find the area. Find how much area does it occupy? Means you have to find the area of quadrilateral. How will get the area of quadrilateral? Means two triangles are there. This is figure. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Sides are given AB 9, 12, 5, 8 and C is 90. So in this triangle, area of this you will get, area of this triangle you will get, and sum of this plus this is equal to area of quadrilateral. So first of all, see, in triangle BCD, right angle triangle, BCD, C is 90, so this is right angle triangle. Now you can get the area of this BCD, half into base into height. Now for this triangle 8, 9 and this side also, but this is unknown. So from here you will get the area of this, but by Pythagoras rule you will get BD. This is diagonal, 5 square plus 12 square root over this is BD. So you will get BD and then this known. So area of this triangle plus area of this triangle will be the area of ABCD quadrilateral. Now see, join BD, you get two triangles here, find area of two triangles. BD is equal to, by Pythagoras rule you got BD equal to 5 square plus 6 square 12 square, this is equal to root 169, that is equal to 13. You got this is 13. Now area of this, area of right angle, half into base into height, 12 into 5. Area of triangle BCD is 30 meter square. Now by Heron's formula you get the area of this. So this is triangle, sum of this, and by Heron's formula you get the area 35.50. Now area of quadrilateral is equal to area of first triangle plus area of second triangle. Add that. Come to question number 2. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which AB, this is quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. AB is 3, BC is 4, CD is 4, and DA is 5, and AC diagonal is 5. So you have two triangles here and this and this. So sum of area of ABC plus area of ADC will be the area of ABCD. So by Heron's formula you find the area of this. By Heron's formula find the area of this and add that. You will get the area of ABCD. Okay. Then find the area of adding 1 and 2. Area of this plus area of this. You will get the area of ABCD. Now question number 3. Radha made a picture of aeroplane with colored paper as shown in figure. Find the total area of the paper used. So this shape, this is triangular shape, this is triangle, this is triangle, and from here to here this is rectangle, and this is trapezium. So area of one is triangle. Find the area of triangle. This is 5, this is 5, and this is 1. Find the area of this and find the, this is 1. Area of 2, this is 2 written. Area of rectangle 6.5 into 1, this is area of rectangle, and this is trapezium. Area of trapezium, sum of parallel sides, half into sum of parallel side into height. So find the height here. You will get, you will see how to get the height. And area of this triangle, half into, this is 90, base into height, base is 1.5 and the height is 6 centimeter. This area and this area both are same. Find the area of this, the same area of this and this. Add the area of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You will get the area of this aeroplane. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By Heron's formula you will get the area of this 5, 5 and 1. Area of parallelogram, area of rectangle you will get 6.5 into 1. Area of trapezium, in this trapezium you will get, you should find the height of this first. So this is by the perpendicular drawn here. This is 1, this is 1, and this is half because of this is 2 and this is 1, so this is half. So find the height by Pythagoras rule. 1 square minus half square, you will get the height. Okay, and if you get the height, then what you will do? Area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of this. This is 1 and this is 2. 1 plus 2 into height. This is height. So if you know height from Pythagoras rule, you will get the area of this trapezium. This is number 3. Now area of 4. This is right angle triangle. This right angle triangle, half into 6 into 1.5. 6 into 4.5. Area of 5 is same, 4.5. Adding that, total area I will get the area of. A triangle and parallelogram have the same base and the same area. Triangle area and parallelogram both having same area. If sides of triangle 26, 28, 30. Area of triangle is by Heron's formula because of 3 sides are given. And the parallelogram area is same, and parallelogram stand on the base 28. On this side parallelogram is based. So find the area of parallelogram and you have to find the height of parallelogram. This is triangle ABC, 26, 28 and 30. You first of all find the area of this by Heron's formula, write down 1. Okay. Now area of this is equal to, area of parallelogram is what? Base into height. So this is base into height. And area of parallelogram is same as area of ABCD, and you got area of ABCD. Put that area here. So area of parallelogram B into H, that is equal to area of triangle. B is 28, H, so H equal to area of triangle by 28. Thus you got the area of height of this parallelogram. This is the height, you got the height of this. Area of triangle by 28. Come to question number 5. A rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? A, B, C, D is a rhombus. 30, 30, 30, 30 each sides given and longer diagonal is 48. So find the area of this total. Sum of this plus sum of this and this. Sum of area of triangle ABC plus BCD by Heron's formula, and add that. And for this is for 18 cows. So for each cow, the area of this divided by 18. So area of this plus this is the area of the rhombus, and for each cow, total area divided by 18. You will get the answer. Okay, up to this we finish this exercise. Now your work is to finish 6, 7, 8 and 9. Tomorrow I will guide you about this. If you are not knowing this, any problem in this, before this, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number 800 219 1192. Okay, thank you.